At $227,000, the price is visible. The difficulty is not. White gold is softer than steel. That makes careless machining more dangerous. The design looks simple. The tolerances are not. Refinement improves beauty. It also removes places for error to hide.
And the real cost begins where the movement gets thinner.
Once the geometry narrows, correction becomes more expensive.
The bracelet cannot look attached. It has to continue the case.
Wearability is engineered link by link.
Luxury here is surface discipline, not decoration. The dial must stay calm while the information load increases. Complexity is allowed. Crowding is not.
Legibility is part of the engineering, not an afterthought. Thinness makes every mechanical decision more severe.
The rotor saves height. The movement pays for that efficiency elsewhere.
Power has to move cleanly, even with complication burden above it. Small instability here becomes visible error later.
A perpetual calendar does not guess, it remembers mechanically. The dial stays composed. The burden stays underneath. The watch is finished visually much later than it is mechanically.
Bench accuracy is not the same as finished reliability.
The movement enters the case. The tolerances tighten again.
Closure changes pressure. Alignment has to survive it.
The hands look delicate. Their clearances are severe.
User control has to feel effortless. The mechanism does not.
Thinness keeps the profile elegant. It removes internal forgiveness. Integration is visual on the surface. Structurally, it is constant negotiation.
Continuity looks effortless when the machining was not.
The bracelet finishes the wearing experience. It also carries its own tolerances. A rotor proving itself on the bench is only the beginning.
Assembly changes the truth. Testing reveals it. Complication is easy to admire. It is harder to make dependable.
The smallest display can expose the largest hidden error.
A polished surface means little if the geometry beneath it drifts.
The bezel does more than surround the dial. It controls composure. The crystal must disappear, even while it protects everything beneath.
Soft-looking geometry still depends on hard control. Fluidity here is not looseness. It is controlled articulation.
The cleaner the exterior looks, the more work is hidden inside.
Mechanical authority here comes from compression, not excess.
Timekeeping is easy to admire in stillness. Use introduces imbalance.
A perpetual calendar earns trust through repetition, not description.
The moon phase looks gentle. Its logic is exact.
Good engineering often feels smooth because friction was disciplined earlier.
The quieter the design, the louder misalignment becomes. The dial carries complexity by distributing pressure, not by reducing it.
An elegant movement still has to live with motion.
Testing strips away image. Only behavior remains.
A fine finish is decorative unless stability survives position changes.
The most delicate instant is often the moment of transition.
Completion is visual first. Mechanical certainty comes later.
The bracelet carries the watch. It also carries responsibility.
Beauty here depends on boundaries holding exactly.
Composure is a design achievement. Clarity is an engineering one.
The movement matters more after the case begins constraining it.
The watch no longer asks to be admired first. It asks to be measured.
Mechanical calm is earned only after mechanical stress. Its shape stays relaxed. Its engineering never does.
The bracelet no longer follows the case. It completes it. By now, the design no longer feels assembled. It feels resolved. The watch looks effortless because the engineering absorbed the strain.
What mattered most was never the shine. It was what the shine concealed.
The value is no longer abstract. It has been built, tested, and contained.
Now the price makes more sense, because the difficulty finally became visible.